Yeah, what's going on? So today we have a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is "Man Throws Food at Wendy's Employee Ends Badly." Man, I know that Wendy's employee was mad. They don't get paid enough to be dealing with foolishness like that now. Let's get into it.
This intoxicated man was throwing food at a Wendy's employee before falling asleep in the drive-thru.
Shut the car off.
Put the car in park.
Whoa.
Get out the car. Get out the car. Out the car.
Out the car.
Over here.
What's going on, man?
What do you mean?
You passed out the wheel.
Why I pass out the wheel?
Yeah, you were just sleeping at the wheel.
What you been drinking tonight?
I'm not.
You not?
No.
Have any Miller Lite? You gotta show yourself Miller Lite.
Wow.
You Miller guy? Man, you smell like you've had a couple drinks, have you? No?
You're a little unsteady on your feet.
Yeah.
Take your hands out your pockets.
Yeah, just for your safety and our safety. We just want to be able to see your hands. You got anything on you, man? No. So what'd you have to drink tonight, man? Nothing?
Couple of beer.
Okay, where you coming from? You coming from home? Are you out? You have any problems with balance or anything like that?
No.
No? Alright.
Let's just hang tight for a minute. We're going to talk to the employees here because they called us because they were a little bit worried about you, okay? Do you have any idea why they might call us? Do you have a guess?
No?
Not even a guess? Okay, you don't have any weapons or anything on you, do you?
Absolutely not.
Nothing? Okay. Is it okay if this officer pats you down to make sure you
Can I
don't
pat
have
you
any
down
weapons
real
on
quick?
you?
Sure.
Go ahead and just turn around and face the wall right there.
Turn around, put your hands on the wall for me, Dad.
I'm not a threat.
Yeah, alright. I just want to make sure.
Making sure.
Spread your legs out.
Yeah.
Spread your legs.
Just a pat.
Yeah, I got you.
Tight for a minute. We're going to wait until the other officers talk to the employees here, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do, okay?
Yeah.
Is this your truck here?
Yeah. Where were you coming from? You're at home? Were you downtown? What you been up to tonight?
I'm downtown. I live downtown. So.
Oh, you live downtown? Oh, okay. Where about?
Close.
Alright.
So what did I do wrong? Why am I under arrest?
Let's wait. You're not under arrest right now. We're just trying to figure out what's going on, okay?
Yeah, we're just figuring it out. You feel fine?
What did I do wrong?
Well, it
Sound-
seems like you were passed out at the wheel.
No, we originally called you because you were throwing food at employees. And then we found you passed out at the wheel.
Well, my ID is in the truck.
Okay.
How come you're sleeping on the drive-thru, man? Couldn't make it home? You work a lot of hours, man. Yeah, I figured. Something wrong with you? No. Take any medicine that might make you sleepy? No. Is this something you guys need him transported for, or are you guys just going to deal with it?
Do you want to get evaluated by EMS? See if you're okay?
No.
Where'd you come from tonight, sir?
Just down.
Just down?
Down.
What's that mean? Like downtown or
No, town.
just town? Okay. What were you doing prior to coming to Wendy's?
Nothing.
Do you remember?
You guys seem like you're like ready to pounce on me, so.
No, we're good.
What am I supposed to do? You guys are like ready to pounce on me, so.
Honestly, I'm gonna tell you why we're here. We're here because you got into an argument with employees. Why did you get in an argument?
That's right.
Just mad.
Are you serious?
upset about what?
You guys are like looking at me like I'm meat, so
Like,
here I am. So
We don't even know what that means.
yeah, like, I don't get what you're saying.
here I am.
I mean, the one brother there, he got his hand on the grip. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? Shit, if the roles are reversed, you know, hey, they sometimes they put their hands there, you know, just the protection or whatever. But the safety is up. You know what I'm saying? Like the little notch thing. Hey, I'm gonna show you. This little part right here, if it was pointed down, then it would be able to be drawn or whatever. But I don't know. I can understand why the guy feels, you know, in danger in a way, like he's being surrounded. You got the guy with his hand on the gun and stuff, like, you know what I mean? Like, god dang, like, you know, but
Am I under arrest or not?
No, we're talking to you.
that's a good
Am
question.
I under arrest or not?
Right now, you're just detained. You can't go
Okay. So what did I do wrong?
We'll get to it. I'm not gonna elaborate more until I don't want to mess up the investigation.
I'm always on your side, so. You guys are like coming at me and you're looking at me like meat, so I have to be defensive, of course.
You guys probably can't see it, but he moved it to the front now. Like, it's moved forward a little bit, so he could just draw the gun. I don't know why I don't know what's up with this brother right here, man.
First off, I'm not looking at you like a meat. Second off, you're not being defensive. You're chilling, man. I'm chilling with you. All right? I'm just chilling.
I feel like you're not, but
He just clicked it back.
what did I do wrong tonight? Can you tell me that?
We already discussed it with you. I mean, we'll go over it again. You're in the drive-thru. Wendy's staff said you threw some food at him.
Yeah.
So that's why we originally were called here.
Okay.
All right. So,
So
when
Wendy staff said I threw food at him.
then we show up and you're passed out at the wheel
Okay.
with the car in reverse.
Yeah.
And it took us a couple minutes to wake you up. And then you let your foot off the brake and you ran into this police car in front of you. So that's where we're at right now.
Okay.
Jessica's got it.
Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna split up all the
Yeah,
incidents here.
I'm gonna take the original call, which turned into a 48.
She doesn't want drinking, or is she on medication?
It's unsure at this time, but
It smells like alcohol. Both I know she's out like a light.
I'm gonna take the cash. They're taking the 5.
Oh.
So we try not to like slam everything on everybody. So this is your victim. I don't know if you wanted to ask him any questions or run it down by him.
Not
Is that
do
his ID?
paperwork.
Just do what it is.
What?
This
Is
is
that
the
the guy's-
driver's ID.
Yeah.
I would
They
get
want
that.
that.
Yeah, I would get that to them.
Yeah. So that way that his stuff can go with him.
All right, so
He's gonna be the one that takes the incident report where he did the bags at you, so he's probably just gonna ask you again the same questions we already asked you, just so that way he can write it in his own perspective.
Okay.
But you don't want to push charges, but it'll still be written up as the incident that happened, so that way it'll always be
It's only a
documented.
bag of burgers and fries.
okay, we'll still document it and everything.
I did try to get them just to park, to sleep there, take a nap.
I'm gonna go.
Gotcha. What's your first name, sir? All right, so run me through it again. So were you?
We were wondering why he missed the window, and right
So
there.
he originally ordered no problems. He pulled up to the window.
I didn't take the order, my manager did.
Okay.
And he told me to run the food out. Well, apparently the guy missed the window, and
he parked
My ma-
where he
my-
was.
well,
Oh, it was in reverse.
he rolled forward when he got out the car. So yeah, he missed the window. So my manager George had to come running the food out, and he was passed out. And I rubbed him on the shoulder. I'm like, hey, bro. I said, I got your food. I said, if you need, take a nap right there. I said, told kid DWI. And he's, I'm like, here's your food. And I said, I got to go. I got people. And when I went to come back in, he told me, fuck you, get the fuck out of here. Hit me in the back with, you know, 2 guys sitting on the table. Which I don't, you know, I'm not pressing charges, man.
Okay.
He's got enough problems with DWI. And, yeah, he called you guys and I called you guys at basically the same time.
And during the, so he threw the food at you, and like, which point did he like go back to sleep, basically?
I went back and told my manager, George, that the guy hit me with the food. I said he's passed out. George went out, looked, he's passed out. He's on the phone with the cops. I'm on the phone with 911 too.
Okay.
And he's passed out.
And then we showed up like a couple minutes later.
You guys showed up. He's still passed out.
Yeah.
And we couldn't do nothing because he's there at the drive-thru. So we had no choice. I tried to get him to fall asleep.
Yeah.
But he just got violent. I got a hernia. He's a big guy.
He was just yelling though?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. He wasn't like trying to fight you or anything?
No.
The only thing he really did was he just
told me to go fuck myself, get the fuck out of here, hit me in the back. No, but like I said, I got a hernia, so I had to walk away, and he's a big guy. So. But no, he didn't come at me. I don't think he could actually get out the goddamn truck.
Yeah, he needed some assistance.
That's how off he looked to me. Yeah, but with the charges, no, I don't want. He's got enough problems with this.
Okay. I'll be sure to get you a case report.
I got one.
You already have a case report?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
With the number, everything, yeah.
Okay.
You'll go up to over here, baby.
Gotcha.
Yes.
So that's for your records?
Right. My boss, well, GM, she'll probably need a copy, so we already sent her one.
Okay.
But no, I got one. Yeah. Make sure it's the park. No, he got out the truck. And he came and hit the door.
I see when they came out here and hit that truck road, boy. That's a nice Sierra, man. That's about a 2018 or 19.
Yeah, it's definitely.
He was charged with DUI.
Hold on. I mean, I really couldn't get too much words in, you know, at that point in time, just because that case, I'm just looking like, wow, like you go to get food and you act like a clown like that. You're that intoxicated. Like you go to get Wendy's and you end up in jail. Like it don't make no sense. It absolutely doesn't make no sense. These guys are just, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say about this case, honestly. Like, this is like some of the dumbest stuff ever. Like, how you gonna say, get out of here, da 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 da, and you came to their establishment? Like, what? Like, who does that? Like, these guys is, yo. Sorry, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but I don't got nothing to say for real. I really don't.